Nathan, and I'm gonna show you guys how my quarantine week is going on and what I'm doing actually, staying at home. And so yeah, let's get started.
Breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
Okay guys, so the best thing you can do when you're in the home into this quarantine week, you can do cooking. Cooking is the best thing one can ever do. It's such a piece of relaxing, it's a complete relaxation of mind, and you can eat your own food without any hesitation.
I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my
Finish this up.
but it doesn't mean I lost my soul. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired.
Shop for jackets. Jacket Kathmandu for the winter. Let me show you